Welcome to Zia's Kitchens. Today let us make mixed vegetable pasta soup or soupy pasta. This is really very healthy dish. This is good for children and also for the elders. For this I have taken 1 cup of pasta, any shape you can take. Let us cook this. In a saucepan add enough water and add the pasta. Add little salt and 1 teaspoon of oil to this and let it boil. Now it's been boiling for about 10 minutes. Let us check now. We are making soup here, so the pasta should cook well and become very soft. Till that we have to cook. Now you can see this is very well cooked. Now let us drain the water and keep it ready. I have taken little vegetables here: carrots, capsicum, cabbage, spring onions and onions. Now let us start. In a saucepan add 1 tablespoon of butter. Let it melt. Add 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic. The flavor of the butter and the garlic will enhance the taste to the soup. So saute well. Now add 1 small cup of chopped onions and saute till it becomes soft. Now start adding the vegetables. 1 small cup of chopped carrots, 1 small cup of chopped capsicum and 1 small cup of chopped cabbage. Saute well. Add salt, 1 teaspoon of salt to this. We have to be very careful in adding salt because we are going to add the sauce also. Now add enough water to this and let it boil for 5 minutes. It's boiling. Now add 1 teaspoon of pepper powder. Now we are going to add the pasta sauce. This is readily available in the market. We can get this. And now I am adding 1 tablespoon of pasta sauce to this. This is little spicy. If you want to have more spice, you can add 2 tablespoons of pasta sauce. Now mix well and now add the cooked pastas to this and mix well. Let it boil. Meanwhile, let us make the corn flour mixture. I have taken 1 tablespoon of corn flour and add little water and mix well. Now it's boiling now. Let us add the corn flour mixture to this. Mix well. Finally add the chopped spring onions. I have taken 1 small cup of chopped spring onions to this. And now this is it. It is ready now. The healthy mixed vegetable pasta soup is ready. This is good for dinner. Very healthy and also tasty dish. Children will like this more. Please do all try this and leave the comment. Meanwhile, those who have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon so that you will get all the notification of our new uploads. And also, please do not forget to click the like button. Very quick and healthy dish is ready. Pasta soup or soupy pasta is ready. Serve this very hot. Thanks for watching.